Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an AOSmith brand water heater and it's giving you an E06 error code, and you need to figure out how to get rid of this, because also if it's giving you this error code, it's not going to be heating. And the reason it's not going to be heating is because that this is a failure of the thermostat. The thermostat is not working, and so it can't heat the water because it can't tell how hot it is, and that would be unsafe. So there are two things you need to do. The first thing, so what you might need to do is just replace the thermostat. But before you replace the thermostat, an even easier fix that could potentially work is there might just be some kind of electronic anomaly going on. So it's just to do a hard reset. So just disconnect your hot water heater from the power for about a minute, and then restore power to it. And see if this, it'll clear the error out, but the error might come back. So if it clears it out and it doesn't come back, then great, then your water heater is working again. And if it doesn't, at that point, you can go ahead and replace the thermostat on your water heater. So anyways, hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.